Hello friends, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing these beautiful roses as I had promised in my earlier video. But before that, let me just thank you all for the wonderful response you've given my first video. I was overwhelmed, truly grateful. Thank you again. So let's begin. We're going to make these roses out of the empty egg carton. So I have an empty egg carton out here. As you remember, last time we had made 8 flowers from one egg carton. This time we can make 4 roses out of one egg carton having 8 cups. So we need 2 cups overlapping each other for one rose. We are not going to be using the scissor. We're going to be maneuvering our hand in such a way that we create the more natural and artistic looking flowers. So I'll just tear off this part of the box and I'll remove 1 cup. I need 2 cups, so I'll just take the 2 cups, keep them ready. While I'm working with these with my hand, I will see that I have the image of a rose in front of me. So I will just be making these petals first. Petals have this rough rounded edges, so I will just be cutting off, tearing this part of the cup in such a way that the petals are somewhat natural looking. So I will just be tearing them off like this, and the extra edges that I have which are not very rounded, so I will just be peeling them off in the similar way. So very delicately and very naturally we will go ahead and tear this part of the carton in such a way that we have a very natural looking rose outer layer. So now I have here 6 petals, 6 petaled outer layer. So just see that it is more neatly finished. I'll take the second one also and do it in the similar way. We are using our hands instead of the scissor because scissor gives a very fine edge which we don't want for our roses. So we are going to be using our hands to tear away the rose petals and give them more natural look. This egg carton gives it that texture in a very natural form, so don't have to work extra for it. So in this way I just move them out a little bit and curve them and push them in. They'll hold one on top of the other, and between 2 lobes I have to place it like that. So now for the innermost part, I just take this part of the egg carton. I'll need just a smaller part, so I'll just tear it again into half and I will just round this up. So now this is how I'll be making the central part of the rose. I just take glue and I will fasten the loose ends in the last part of the carton that I have torn. So I just fasten it up a little bit, let the glue dry properly, and then you can work on the other parts. So you need a lot of patience, so just hold it in and let it nicely dry, stick and fasten together all the layers in this way. And this is how I will be just turning the outer petals also outside and giving it a more natural kind of a look. Now I'm going to be using this toothpick for the stem. What I'm going to do is I'll take a little cotton and I want that pinball kind of a head for this toothpick. So what I'm going to do is I'll just take a little glue and I will put the cotton on the uppermost part of the toothpick so it holds the rose together, and I will pierce this toothpick into the rose. You can also do it in the earlier video we had shown a longer stem, so you can do it in that way also, but this is another method of doing it. So yeah, my stem is ready. Now I will color my rose. I have pink color out here, so I just mix it with a little bit of white and shades or whatever you want to, however you want to. You can just paint it. I am using acrylic color. You can also use a spray paint, or you can use golden color, blue color, whatever color you need. So accordingly we will just color the inside out, all parts of the rose in this way. And once I'm ready with the rose, I let it for drying, but I need to do leaves. So I'll take the square paper, I'll just fold it into 4 parts, and then I'll cut the leaf with a scissor in this way. And as we know, the leaf of a rose has got these sharp edges, so I just cut the sharp edges of the leaf as well with the scissor. And when I open it up, we will have 4 leaves, which will be very easy to pierce into the toothpick. So I'll just open this up a little bit, and yeah, we have 4 leaves. I just put a little bit of glue in the center so that it remains in its place, and I will pierce it into the toothpick. So our leaves with the rose is ready. So this is the way we do it. Now the stem part, I'll just color it green. So I'll just take green color, I'll hold my rose, and I will just color the stem green. So I'm using this toothpick so that it becomes easier for you to use it for any embellishment that you want. You can use it for your photo frames, or you can use it for wall hanging, or for any other decoration purposes. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. God bless.